This morning, I did something I had never done before. I made breakfast for my mom, not just toast or tea, but a real handmade breakfast, all by myself, Emily, with no help, no backup, just me and the kitchen. I had always wanted to try it, but honestly, I was scared. Scared I might mess it up, create a disaster in the kitchen, or worse, burn the toast. But today felt different. I felt a little braver. As I walked into the kitchen, I saw Mom wiping the counter and humming softly. I stood there for a moment, watching her, then said, a bit nervously but clearly, "Mom, I want to make breakfast for you today." She paused, turned toward me slowly, surprised. Her eyes widened just a bit before she smiled one of those warm, quiet smiles only Mom has. "You want to cook for me?" she asked. I nodded. She put down the dishcloth and said, "That sounds lovely, Emily." Stepping back gently, she added with a twinkle in her eye, "I'll stay out of your way. Surprise me." In that moment, her smile and trust gave me the courage I needed. I tied my hair back, washed my hands, and opened the fridge. Inside, I found tomatoes, eggs, cheese, and a block of butter. I grabbed the ingredients, took a deep breath, and got to work. I cracked 2 eggs, accidentally dropping a bit of shell into the bowl. Oops, I smiled, removed it, and kept going. Next, I chopped the tomatoes, not perfect, but pretty good. I toasted the bread and melted some butter on top, then added cheese and tomato slices for the final touch. For the tea, I made it strong, warm, and British. Milk first or tea first? I could never remember. I picked one and hoped for the best. Then came the tricky part, balancing everything. I carefully placed everything on a wooden tray, along with 2 napkins and a tiny flower in a cup. I carried it outside to the garden. It was early, the sun was soft, and the air smelled like grass and toast. I set the tray down on the table and called out, "Mom, breakfast is ready." She came outside in her robe. When she saw everything, she just stopped, looking at the tray and then at me. "You made all this?" I nodded. She sat down, picked up a slice of toast, took a bite, and then smiled, dreamy smiled. These tomatoes are so sweet." She took a sip of tea and sighed. "This is perfect." We ate slowly, without rushing, no phones, no noise, just the 2 of us sharing a quiet morning with the food I had made. I learned something important. It's not just about cooking, it's about showing love, taking time, and starting new things. A new morning routine, a new little part of me. Mom said she was really grateful, but the truth is, so was I. Have you ever wanted to do something kind but felt a little scared? This morning, I woke up with a quiet idea. I would make breakfast for Mom all by myself. It wasn't tea perfect. I dropped an eggshell and may have burned the toast a bit, but what I made wasn't tea, just food. It was love served on a wooden tray. Join me as we share this quiet morning together and learn real English through my little story. Welcome back. Today's story is warm, simple, and full of love. Emily makes breakfast not just for herself but for her mom. And along the way, you'll learn how to talk about family, food, and daily routines in real English. Let's get started.